local community councils and the community itself have been involved. And that is the key to this work. It's actually about how we work with local people and how we innovate and bring new ways of working, how we engage them. Because the realities in the time we live is less people are walking today. Less people are engaged and actually concerned about their health or about their place they live. We have to do something about that. And we have to find ways. The key measure of our work will be leaving a legacy in those communities that we're working with in the CoF area, so they can carry on themselves, unsupported in some ways, sustainably, and continue their walking. And the second part of our work in CoF 2, again, is going to be challenging that. Scalability and sustainability are the two words that we're focusing on the second phase of our work. I would like to thank personally CCW's support and continued support for phase 2. Newport Talbot Council, without their innovation and work and accepting and listening and support, we wouldn't have been able to progress, and the community councils and communities that have been supporting this project. I'm looking forward to seeing the second half of CoF 2 and what it delivers over the next 12 months, so thank you very much indeed.